Man, welcome back. Listen, do not throw away your ESP32s. Right? Okay, so when I got this, I plugged it up. I pulled up the IDE, and I tried to get some code running. Nothing. You know, I just couldn't connect to it. I did some digging and I found out how to factory reset and get some new firmware on there. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And yeah, so I already did this one. I basically I updated the firmware and then I ran a hello world sketch. Right. This is a ESP32 S3. Now the ESP32 Lite is a little different, so I went ahead and did one of them as well. It's pretty much the same thing, just in that when you're looking for your board on the IDE, this is obviously a ESP32 S3, and this is just an ESP32. So we're gonna go ahead and do this one together. Okay, so after you plug up your board, you want to first thing you're gonna do is run the ESP tool. You want to run it on Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Internet Explorer, which is deprecated, and we're doing that because we need to read our serial port. So I already have it open here. I'm gonna refresh the page. So once you get this open, we are going to, first thing we're gonna do is change the rate to 115/200, and we are going to connect to the board. Now we're doing this because we tried to connect the board to the IDE and it doesn't work. We tried to write code to the board and it doesn't work. So that's what's right now we're factory resetting and flashing a bootloader. So we're gonna connect and you're gonna find your port, and when you connect, it's gonna let you know what device you have connected. First thing you want to do is erase the flash, erase what's on there. Say chip erase completely, successfully in 1.9, blah blah blah. Okay, now you're gonna want to download one of the bootloader bins, either this one or that one. It's on you. I already have mine downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose the file and open that. And one thing you want to make sure you do is change the flash address to X0000. Once you've done all of that, we can click program, and as you can see, it is being flashed. Now when this is done, we're gonna run a hello world sketch to make sure that the ESP32 is indeed working. Now when it gets here, it's going to say 100%. That does not mean it's done. When it's finished, it'll say leaving, I believe. Yeah. it's leaving. So now what you want to do is disconnect from the ESP2. So you want to click disconnect, and you want to unplug your board, plug it back up. So now we're going to copy this hello world sketch. I'm gonna leave all of this in the description for you guys, and we want to run our IDE. Okay, so once we have our script loaded, first thing you want to do is attach your module. So we're gonna go right here, we're gonna click select other board and port. We're gonna choose our port, and we're gonna choose our board. Right, and this is the board that we should be choosing, ESP32 dev module. Now this may not pop up on your IDE, and if that's the case, you want to go to your preferences and put this link right here in your additional board manager URLs. I'll leave that in the description. You put the link, you press OK. After you do that, you want to go to tools, board, and go to board manager. Or you can just click this little icon right here. And then you want to search ESP32, and you'll see this ESP32 by Expressive Systems. You want to add that. I already have it. After you do that, you should be set. Your board is in there. We're going to verify this code. I forgot, I did this for the S3. We should change this right here. Hello world from ESP32 S3. Let's change that to after it's done compile. Let's change that to just ESP32. And so this code will if it's working, when I upload it, it'll say hello world, and it'll say still alive every second. And for as long as it's saying still alive, it's still alive. So let's go ahead and upload the code, cross our fingers, and there you go, it's writing. And that's how you you fix ESP32 that's not working out of the box. So if we open up our serial monitor, we should see, and there it goes, hello world, still alive, still alive, still alive. So the ESP32 is working, and it's ready for whatever projects you want to throw at it. That'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching. All of the links will be down in the description.